Hello friends, this is Rohit. In this video, I'm going to cover one of the pests who actually infests the garden quite frequently, especially some of the flowering plants. So in my earlier video, I had shown you how the snails are responsible for destroying the bhindi plant or the ladyfinger plant. And they also tend to attack on the palak, or what you say, the spinach. So they are quite destructive in nature for these two types of plant, but the snails don't tend to attack on any other plants besides these. So each plant probably have their own types of pests that they attract, and this is a very good full grown creeper, flowering creeper, called as Krishna Kamal. So the flowers would blossom once the sun shows in the sky, and since it's rainy, they have just closed up. So this plant especially attracts caterpillars. So there are very beautiful butterflies who would be just flying across this plant the whole day and just would lay their eggs below the leaves. So it would be very difficult to a big plant like this. We cannot just go and look each and every leaf. So then we need to look at the symptoms or the things that these uh, caterpillars would leave behind, just to give the trace that they are there. So if you can see over here, you can see also on the walls, these are actually what they are food. So they would just eat up the leaves and then just leave back the traces of the poo. So you can then figure out that there is infestation somewhere nearby, and just try to figure out the caterpillars. Uh, the other way is to verify the flowers. So if you are able to see this flower has been eaten up a bit on this particular part. So uh, actually the flowers are quite frequently eaten by the snails as well, but not the leaves at all. So uh, then once you just get a sense that there is an infestation, then you can just look for the leaves which seems to be eaten up a bit. If you can see over here, I have just picked up one of the leaf that has been infested. So you can see small caterpillars on the top of this. So, and I've just picked this up, and you can see on the lower side there are lots of caterpillars, and these are, say, I would say about 50 total caterpillars. And if they stay on these leaves for the next 7 to 8 days, then they have the potential to just eat up the complete plant. So these are quite dangerous. Obviously, they would be beautiful butterflies in later stage of their life, but it won't be possible to maintain them in our garden, since they would just destroy this complete plant in, say, 8 to 10 days, and that is what they have potential. So it is better to just pluck up those leaves and just put it on some bigger trees like these one, which won't be destroyed by these caterpillars, and also they can survive. So this is one way. But you can also, once you pluck up the leaves, you can just spray it with some organic spray like Dashaparni Arka or neem oil, There are a bit stronger sprays like azatral spray, but I don't prefer to use these in my garden. So the organic way, and that is the neem oil or the Chaparni Arca, is what I probably use most of the times, and it should be sprayed after every 10 to 15 days because the effect would go away. If every 10 to 15 days you have to just scan the plant completely and verify that there is no infestation. So thanks for watching these videos. Please give your comments and your valuable suggestions below. Thanks for watching.